Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So today's video we're going to be talking about my newest application, ExLinked. So ExLinked is a social media application for students. It's kind of like a LinkedIn. So I used 3 different databases when creating this application. I used Neo4J, the graph database, which I used for following and unfollowing users. So in the application you can follow users, which gives you recommendations, and it gives you a following page where you can see everybody you followed. If 2 people followed each other, you can actually chat with that person. So I wanted to use this graph database Neo4J for this following because if I just use a relational SQL database, it will be very hard and very less efficient to query through all of the following. So for example, let's say I had each following in a relational database. I explained the big O complexities in my Neo4J video that you can check out in the description. The next database I used was Cassandra. I used Cassandra to store all the posts and articles that students post. I need to use an unstructured database like Cassandra so I can store all this data, right? Because I have my image data, I have this big article data, but also be able to query through it very efficiently. In a relational database with tables, it's really hard to store binary data, and it's really hard to get that efficiently. And also, I can't store big text and a lot of articles in a relational SQL database. The last database I used was a Postgres database, and I just use this to store the users and the chats. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the demo of ExLinked. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to exlinked.herokuapp.com. So this is the ExLinked website, and here we can see some articles, and we can actually search on people, but first we want to actually sign up. So just hit this sign up button, and it should take you to this page. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to add a full name. So just add your real full name. You're not going to use this to sign up. You're just going to sign in. You're just going to use this when people are searching your profile, and it's going to appear when you post articles. Next, you want to create an email. So just add what your actual email is. You're going to use this to sign in. Next, you want a password. So this password is encrypted in my database. Okay, so here's where it kind of gets important. So here you want a description of yourself. So this is a description that I wrote out, and I just copied and pasted it here. We can also do something really simple like I play basketball, or maybe I like to code, something like that. Okay, and then you want to add a profile picture of yourself. So I can just add this picture, and then finally I can just sign up. So you can see there's an issue with your login. Make sure that you type your email correctly. This is probably just because I already signed up with that email. Okay, so if you have a correct email, then it should redirect you to this sign in page where you can just enter your email and then your password that you just wrote. And now it'll take us to your account that I was in at the start. So here you can see some articles. Let's say I want to click on one. So let's say I want to go to this, what is NFTs? I just click on it, and it'll take me to whatever my article is. And if I reload, you can see the view added. So the view didn't actually add because I already viewed this. But let's say I want to go to this article, and now if I reload, you can see that the view added. So that's another feature. One view is one person. So you can see I can reload as many times as I want, but you can see it's not going to add the view. But only if it's a new person, then it'll add the view. So here you can see I can also go to the author page just by clicking on that the name. It'll take me to the page. So you can see this is the description I made about myself. And there's this button called unfollow because I already followed myself. So if I click unfollow, you can see it turns into follow, and I actually unfollowed him, and you can see the followers are back to 1. So now let me just refollow him or myself, and now it's back to 2. Here you can see some articles that they posted, right? So these are all the articles that they posted, and also there's this chat button. So if they followed you and you followed them, you can chat. Basically, this is myself, so technically we're already followed each other, so I can chat with myself. Probably not the most useful, but if I go back and I click people, I can actually search people up. So if I go to, let's just say Ryan H, and make sure that you spell it right, it can take you to his page, and now I can actually follow and unfollow him too. So you can see that, right? But now if I click chat, here, let's just wait for this to go. If I click chat, you can see it actually doesn't work because he hasn't followed me. Even though I followed him, he hasn't followed me. But if I go to Sai Sethuram, my dad, and if I click enter, now we can actually chat because both of us followed each other. So you can see I have some chat messages. Let's say I want to add something else. Hi again. Right, so you can see the message popped up. Okay, so now let's go back and I can actually show you how to add your own post. So if I just click create a post, and I just want to add an article title, an article, and a file for a picture of that article. So actually I have some writing. So if I go to here, I have some writing that I may want to add. And what about this? So this is the Great Depression. I wrote an article about that. And let me just try to post this onto ExLinked. Or let's first just make sure if I didn't post that yet. So just click cancel. Well, actually, I already posted that. So let's try to find something else. Like that. Okay, so maybe we can do bonds. I don't think bonds are here. Oh, there are already bonds. Bitcoin, I already posted all of these. Zoos, yes. Okay, I don't think I actually posted about basic investments. So yeah, see, so there's no basic investments. So I can just click create a post, and I can just type an article title. So I can just say basic investments, right? And let me just copy this article. Okay, and I can paste it in here, and then I want a file. So let me just go to the internet and just type basic investments. I can go to images, and let me just try to find an image. So let's say I want, I don't know, this image. So I can just save this image, okay? And now I can go back here and I can actually upload it. Okay, so that's not the image. Download, it was called download.jpg. Okay, download. That's download.png. Sorry about that. Let's just try to find this. Okay, this is not in recents, so maybe we can just go to our home or download. And here we have our download.jpg, but it's a different file. So let's just try to download a different one. Sorry about that. So basic investments, images, and maybe we can just do this one. So same image as, okay. choose a file. Okay, this is the one. Actually, this is the one from before. Okay, anyways, whatever. We'll just use the one before. Sorry about that. Anyways, that confusing. Just a title, an article, and then your thumbnail, and then just click post. And once it's loaded, it should have added the article. So you can see my basic advanced articles over here. Now, if I just click on it, it goes to my article. Okay, so I can just reload my page, and you can see add to view. Also, it should have updated in my profile page too. Okay, perfect. So now I just want to show you some cool features about ExLinked. So you already saw the people. So let's talk about following. So this following just shows you who all you're following. This followers shows you who all's following you. And this news button. So if you're ever bored and you don't see any articles that interest you, here you can just click this news button, and it's going to take you to a random page on National Geographic for an article. So, for example, this one's about the discovery of King Tut. And for example, if I reload this and now I click news, you can see it went to like a different article. Okay. Alright, so that's a lot of cool features about ExLinked. Hopefully you sign up, try it out, and yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to the channel. So in my community, I just added a post. Whoever subscribes to my channel and just adds in the comment gets a shout out. So shout out to Sparky, my spoiled retriever. Make sure that you go to his channel and subscribe to it. Congratulations for 189 subscribers. Alright, so if you want to get a shout out in my next video, just go to my newest post and comment down below. Alright, but anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time,